Okay guys, we're back. We're going to unmold our melt and pour soaps here. And this is what this one looks like. This is the honey and oat. This is the olive oil and paprika. Isn't that beautiful? Nice color. So we're going to just unmold these. And we're going to get ready to do our next set of melt and pour. These are still kind of warm. But these turned out beautiful. I love it. 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 I like melt and pour because it's easy. So this has been sitting probably about an hour. Maybe an hour and a half. I love it. I love it. I love it. So. And it smells. Oh, this is the orange. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. It smells just like fresh pricked oranges. Smells so good. Smells so good. And the bubbliness of this is off the chain. Off the chain. Off the chain. Smells good, y'all. If y'all were here, y'all would just be the same way. Just be the same way. So, this is the last one. I have never used this soap mold before, but I wanted to do something different. And we're just going to spray our mold. That's how I clean it up. I love it because there's no mess. If I did cold process soap, oh my god, mess be everywhere. It would be everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. And what I like about this soap, it doesn't seize on you. You know, sometimes, there's go my phone again, potential spam. So what I like about this, like I said, cold process, you know, you have to work fast, and it can seize on you, which means that it can be soap on a rope. It can get hard really fast, really quick. And I've had that happen. I just freak out because I hate doing it. I panic and don't know what to do. But with this, you don't have that issue. So this is what they are, and I brought you back our honey and our paprika orange honey melt and pour soap. You just chop, melt, and pour. Thank you guys for joining me today. And I just wanted to bring you back for the unmolding. And I will see you on the flip side. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye for now.